Here's a look at today's lesson, and it is on stem and leaf plots, a new type of graph that we have not discussed yet. The learning targets are I can create histograms and stem and leaf plots. Today we're going to focus on creating a stem and leaf plot, and I can compare histograms, stem and leaf plots, and dot plots. Here's an example of what a stem and leaf plot actually looks like. So here we have the stems, and over here we have the leaves. This data is looking at ages of people at the library. So if we look up here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 data points that are on this graph right here. How it works is the stem is the tens number, okay? So for 12, it would be the 1 because that is in the tens spot. For 41, it would be the 4 because that is in the tens spot. So the stems go on the first left-hand column of the stem and leaf plot. The leaves are the numbers that are in the ones column. Okay, so for 12, the leaf would be 2. That is in the ones column. And that would go next to the stem 1. So right here we see 12. 1 and 2 is equal to 12. 1 and 3 is equal to 13, so that's also located on the graph. Here's the 1 for the tens, and here's the 3 for the ones column. So 1 and 3. So you read it like that. For the 2's, as 2 is the stem, we have 21 and we have 27, which are both located up here in our data. For the 3's as a stem, we have 33. You're just connecting the stem to the leaf. We have 34, we have 35, and we have 37, all which are located up here. And for the 4's, we have 40, we have another 40 because there are 2 data points of 40, and we have 41. Okay, that's how you read a stem and leaf plot, and that's also how you would create it. For example, if there was let's say there's a 15 data point, I would put a 5 next to the 1 stem. That is equal to 15. For the next slide, this is just an example slide. What you're going to do here on this slide is you're going to create your own stem and leaf plot. Okay, the stems again are the 1 or the tens column, and the leaves are the ones column. And this stem and leaf plot is on the grades of a recent test. So I see there's 42, 67, 73, 78, 62, 82, 84, 86, 91, 94, 99, and 73. So first what you're going to want to do is figure out what your stems are, and you want them to be in order. So I notice the lowest number is 42. So I'm going to put a 4 in the stems column, okay? And then you do go up. So then you would do 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then you're going to add your leaves. So for 42, my 2 would go next to the 4. So if this is the 4, then the 2 would be the leaf. When you're done, you want to add all these data points, and then you may turn it in.